Today we're going to be teaching you how to chroma key or green screen on Final Cut Pro X. So let's start off by getting a clip that is a green screen. So we'll knock this one into our timeline, and as you can see, here's the bit. I'll just get the bit I actually want. Let's have that hand movement from here. Cut that with a Command B. Get rid of the bit, and I just want the green screen to go to there so I can put it on a top of a clip. So Command B, cool. So once you've got your clip in place, obviously you're probably going to place it over something else. We want to get rid of this green background. So to get rid of the green background, you need to go to your effects, which mine are over here. Yours might be placed somewhere differently. Click on the effects button. And then you are looking for the one that will be called in keying, and you're looking for keyer, and you literally just drag the keyer onto it, and there you go, all the way out the way. And you have these things, so you can refine it a bit more if you want. This looks pretty good to me, but we can refine it by, if you use this one, then you can knock out the sample color and it knows what to get rid of. So there, just to refine it. You have other things, so you can refine edges by putting them on, making the edges better. If you have bigger things, you then have the strength of the green screen, so we can minus strength. As you can see, the white is coming up on the side there, so we'll get stronger. You can change the looks with the views depending on what you want to do, so you could have it like that, back to normal. We want the color hand. You can fill holes in, which will, as you can see, fill in between the fingers, but we don't again want that. Edge distance, that's quite useful. So again, narrowing it, playing around with it. Spill level, obviously just play around with it till it looks good. You can even invert it so we can have the other way around, so it comes up like that. There we go. And other things, lots of things, color selection, and then you pick from the color. But what if our thing isn't green? So we'll take the Learn with Lou logo, because this keyer, chroma keys, can actually do any color. So just needs to pick up the Eager one. So on the Learn with Lou, we'll throw the keyer on. Okay, and it is made it just dark. So we don't want that. So what you want to do is get your sample color and just select the bit what you want. And boom, just like that. And then if we adjust it enough, fill the holes, edge distance till it looks good, just like that. We've now got our Learn with Lou logo now in a different color, so I can now change that and add a different color background. So maybe in custom, do a different color intro. So if we put in a custom clip like that, and then I will change the color. Let's change that to, say, let's have a pink. Why don't we have a pink intro? Now I can place on top my Learn with Lou, and voila, we now have a pink intro. So that'll conclude it for today's video. That was just a really basic use of how you chroma key or green screen. If you need any more help with it, put it in the comment section below, but it is pretty simple. Just put it in. If you have a massive chunk of color and then of one color you get rid of, then it'll work superbly. It tends to go for blue or green straight away, so if you have a different color, like I wanted the white to go, you're very better using the sample color first, picking it out, and then it'll adjust to the color. So that is how you use the green and blue screen. I'll hopefully be back with a new video soon on how you do one color video, so you can just have one color. So if it's like you just want the yellow in the video, then it does yellow and the rest goes black and white. All of that stuff will hopefully be coming soon. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, and why not share it on social media so your friends can see. Tell me in the comment section below what videos you want to see next, and if you're new to the channel, why not click that subscribe button for more tutorials every week, hopefully, when I get back to doing it properly. I am getting back to doing it properly, so there should be more videos coming soon.